Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we on guys color inversion in our technophone. Friends, you want to on color inversion mode, so guys how can you on, and guys in this video guys I will show guys how can you use guys your color inversion mode setting in your technophone. So guys now let's see how to on color inversion and guys how to use it. So when first of all open your phone setting to on color inversion, then guys scroll it. Guys click on guys your special function fans, tap here. Guys click on your accessibility setting fans, again scroll it. Guys you can see color inversion fans, tap here, and guys you can on from here. You can see guys this notification you want to read. So after guys you can see background will dark, and guys your phone screen will change like that. And guys if you use guys YouTube and guys any photos, so guys you can see like this ghost guys. I will have to connect guys any Wi-Fi network. Then friends you can see it. So you can see guys this ghost setting like that guys. You can use your color version like that. So I hope fans have understood how to on color inversion mode in our Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video.